Spider, 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 spider. Oh, hey. Hi, how are you all doing again? Hope we're all still social distancing. Gotta flatten that curve, right? So, I guess you're wondering why I asked you back here again today. Well, it's because, as promised, I'm going to be recreating some of the styles from the season premiere of Insecure. The style I'm going to do is pretty simple. If you remember, she wore it a couple of times. There was this one scene where she was hanging out with Molly and she was buying clothes for all of her her interviews and meetings that she had going on. Just checking that spider. And she had her hair braided on one side and the other side was just slicked down. And I think she might have had it put away in a bun, but I might not do that. I might just have my hair out. So we're going to try to attempt that style today. Now what we're going to do is we're not going to do cornrow braids back. We're going to do twists back because I'm okay at braiding, cornrolling, not so great. I'm really, really good at flat twisting though. So what you need today to achieve this style, you need a rat tail comb. You're gonna need a spray bottle with some water in it. Gonna definitely need some gel. Definitely need some edge control. A brush or bristle brush. And to detangle a little bit, you might need a Denman brush too. A hair tie. This one has hair on it, I know. And something cute, because in the style, she had something cute in her hair, like something gold in her hair. So I have a couple of items for you. I have this cute little bow. I make hair combs sometimes. So I have this nice one right here that I made with some jewels on it. I also have this one that I made for Christmas. And my favorite that I wear everywhere, flowers for spring. One of the things you're gonna need also, these again. Oh, and I almost forgot, it hid from me. Yeah, you gotta slick down those edges. So, let's get started. As you can see, I already have a part going. I might try to make it a little bit more this way. I'm not sure. I feel like it's fine, but I might. Let's see what we got. What would happen if we did that? Okay, I'll keep it. And I'm combing a little bit with the Denman brush just to detangle a little bit. It's good to saturate your hair with a lot of water, especially around times like these, because of the fact that we are still like kind of coming out of winter. Your hair is very dry from your heat always being on and from all the scarves and sweaters and stuff like that pulling on your hair. The hats, the wool hats that we wear, they suck out all of our moisture and they pull on our hair because our hair gets tangled in them when you have natural hair. So it's good to keep re-moisturizing your hair. I learned that from Rachel O. Thank you for that tip. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make another part leading to behind my ear. Let's see if that's straight. Like just a little bit behind my ear. I think this is fine. So we're going to clip this hair away, and then we are going to go for a costume change because I can't move my arms good in this. But I look great, don't I? Yes, I do. I'm back. And I'm wearing my Just Will shirt. Don't forget to check out his music. I'll link his Instagram right here. All right, let's get back to it. So, I have this much of my hair sectioned off for the twist. Right? You following? You got this? And I have all of this out. And so, I'm going to spray some more water on it. And we are going to gel it up. And we're going to be very liberal with the gel because I will be washing my hair soon, I promise. We got the hair nicely saturated. We're going to grab the Extreme Wet Line Gel. I can't wait till this is empty so I can play with this and put stuff in it. I will be buying more gel, but like I just love this. It just reminds me of when I was a kid. So I'm just gonna grab some gel. I'm gonna probably do a lot more than that. It's looking a little white because I got other products in my hair from other styles. Don't worry about that. That won't happen to you. Because you're not going to do that, right? Okay. So we're going to keep brushing it down. Going to put some towards the back too. So I sprayed it in the back. Like this much. You just kind of like dab it through. Then you put a little bit more water. It feels dry there. I'm going to brush that through. We're going to put a hair tie on our wrist so we're ready. Are you ready? All right. And then we are going to grab that hair tie and bring it over. And bring it over again. And there, now the hair is smoothed down. Now what you could do, if you're not doing a hair tutorial like me, you could smooth all this down, take this out, and then tie your hair up to make sure it stays smooth. I'm not doing that because I'm doing a hair tutorial right now. So you might see this pop up, kind of like alfalfa, like this. It's gonna be cute though. Just wait. Bear with me. So I'm gonna put some more water on this section. We're gonna start working over here now. So I have some bad news for you. Once we finish this section, we're gonna have to add it to that section. So we're probably gonna have to take that ponytail holder off, and you're gonna have to struggle putting your hair back in the ponytail again. Yeah, we didn't think that through. But it's okay. We got this. We got this. Alright, I'm going to comb it through a little bit. I'm going to saturate it a little bit more at the ends too. And I'm actually going to comb this section through with the Denman brush. Now, I'm not going to comb it through in one big chunk because that's like more likely that I will pull out more hair. We're going to do it in smaller sections. I'm going to start at the bottom and work our way up. So that part is done. It's got a little bit of this in there. That part is done. I'm meaning to purchase the Felicia Leatherwood brush to see how it fares up against the Denman brush. And then I have this other brush too that everybody likes too. I forgot the name of it. I'll remember it, but I've been meaning to do like a comparison video with those. Let me know in the comments if you want me to buy that brush and do the comparison. I've been hearing some really great things about the Felicia Leatherwood brush though. You see how I'm like working my way up to my roots? I've been to so many salons where they start here and then they work their way down, but they're like, all these knots is all the way down here. They're yanking through them and they're bringing my head with them and tearing my hair out, and it is not okay. Never okay with that. You need to speak up when somebody does that. This is how much hair came out. Hold that up for you. That's how much hair came out. And some cat hair too. Wow. So I definitely need to wash my hair. So I'm going to undo these twists. You see, they already tried to like do a little twist out on their own. And we are going to do, so the braids that Issa had, they just were straight back. It wasn't nothing fancy. So we're going to just try to make some braids, or well, not braids, flat twists straight back. So we're going to part our hair. The product still. Alright, so what I just did, you didn't even see that. I put some edge control on my hair, just on my edges, to control my edges. This is edge control. I put that always on the very front when I'm starting with a flat twist because I'm trying to get my edges in there a little bit better. They don't listen when I flat twist. And I think I flat twist a little bit different than most people, honestly. Because I kind of like do 2 twists for each hair sometimes. Not all the time. But like when I feel like, I don't know, just a feeling. I have a feeling. You'll see me like twist it twice. Like right now. So you're just picking up one little bitty strand of hair, adding it to the 2 here. So you have 2 sections of hair. So that's how you flat twist. You pick up a little bit of hair, add it to the 2. Now you can at the end, with that last bit of hair, you could do a little like braid at the end. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna keep twisting it and hope for the best. Sometimes I do that if I want it to last longer. If I want the style to last longer. So I just twist it all the way down, and that is twist 1. So we're gonna take the hair out. Ooh, that got tangled in my hair, that hurt. Now she had 4. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do 4. I might do 5. We shall see. And hers are really tiny too. I don't know if you all noticed that. They're like really, really, really tiny. So I have this part going right here. I'm going to clip this up, and then instantly all the rest of my hair is going to be done on this side. Watch right now. Oh my goodness, it's magic, it's done. So yes, these are the flat twists. So my hair is still slicked down right here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pray that it doesn't go crazy. We're gonna take this off again. We're gonna take these, put these a part of this right here on the sides. Take the slick down part again, because she had like a side bun situation going on. Ouch. Hopefully it stays shellacked down. And we gotta just pick up the hair. We have the hair tie on our wrist. We are ready. And set. Okay. I have my big old poof out. I'm gonna put some more gel in this, you know what? Why not comb that down a little bit more? I have my poof out, but you can always like put it in a bun. You can like find the center of your puff and then just like roll it under like this. And you can put another hair tie on it. I don't know if you can see that. It's a little bumpy right now. That's sometimes how I do that. There's different ways you can do a bun. You can roll it. You can put a bun maker on it and just fashion your hair over the bun maker. You can roll it into the bun, like by rolling the hair, tucking the hair and rolling it under all the way around in a circle. It's a lot of ways. We're going to take this cute little bow and like put it up against. Let's see, can I do this? I have a crick in my neck, so let's see if this will work. Put it out right there. I don't know if you can see that. So we can have the same little jewel she had. We can have, yeah, my hair is a little bit longer than Issa's. So you can have your hair in a bun and have that same cute little style. So it's really simple, actually. Try it out. Tell me if you like it in the comments. Thanks for hanging out with me. Stay safe.
Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow her. Peace.